All right, guys. First eBay break of the night is 2012 Signature Series Baseball. So there are 6 cards altogether, 3 hits, and a chance to pull some really nice ones out of here, from Kershaw to Ted Williams to Mike Trout. So let's see what we can get out of here. So Daniel D, you've got the White Sox. Fred J with the Red Sox and Yankees. Jason M's got the Angels, Dodgers, A's, Mariners, Rangers, Nationals, Padres, and Rays. Jeff H with the Tigers and Marlins, Phillies, and Pirates. Larry's got the Diamondbacks, Royals, Brewers, and Twins. Lyndon with the Reds and the Astros. Marty's got the Braves. Megan has the Indians and Rockies. Didn't get payment from you on that. Stephen B with the Orioles and the Blue Jays. And then William, you've got the Cubs and the Cardinals. And then Mets and Giants went unsold. And so I'll hang on to them. All right, let's see what we can get out of here. All right, got a redemption, looks like on the back. So base cards first, got Jason Hayward for the Braves. Prince Fielder for Detroit. And then a Freddie Freeman for the Braves as well. All right, then we've got Liam Hendricks. First auto is for the Twins. MLB Player's Choice Manufactured Patch Auto. It's going to be numbered to 299. No, Jason, different Megan. Your spots were paid. All right, hit number 2, we've got a Jared Parker for the Oakland A's. Game ball auto, number 299. All right, and then a redemption. Oh, nice. How about a Signatures David Ortiz? A lot of times these redemptions in Signature Series aren't very good. That one is a nice one. Boston Red Sox hit. Going to Fred. Fred, nice hit. It's got an expiration date on that. Panini usually is pretty decent about, although I think I've got a few of them that are still outstanding. But nice hit. Hopefully they'll redeem that. So nice pull on the Ortiz. That'll do it for Signature Series. We'll get those cards mailed out. And we'll do another of these coming up here in the next couple weeks.